welcome back to the channel. I'm your host today, and we are diving into a really exciting and fast growing topic: artificial intelligence in education, and how it is transforming the way students learn and grow. AI is becoming more integrated into classroom, and whether you are a student, teacher, or just someone interested in the future of education, this video will give you some useful insights. So grab a cup of tea and let's get into it. To kick things off, let's get started with a quick overview of what we mean when we say AI in education. Essentially, AI in education refers to the use of artificial intelligence to support or even enhance learning experiences. This includes everything from smart tutoring system to personalized learning platforms, even down to chatbots that can answer student queries in real time. Some popular examples of AI applications you may already be familiar with include platforms like Duolingo, Coursera, or even AI-powered tools like Grammarly that help students write better. These applications use machine learning and database analysis to create personalized experiences for students. One of the biggest benefits of AI in education is personalized learning. AI can analyze a student's strengths, weaknesses, learning pace, and interest to create customized lessons. For instance, if a student is struggling with algebra but excelling in history, AI system can provide more focused practice in math while continuing to challenge the student in history. Think about it. No more one-size-fits-all approach to education. Every student can learn at their own pace, and teachers can track progress more effectively. Plus, students can access learning materials anytime, anywhere, making education far more flexible and accessible. Another area where AI is making huge waves is through intelligent tutoring system. These systems act as virtual tutors, helping students with complex subjects by providing step-by-step guidance. What is great in that these AI tutors are available 24/7. So if you are burning the midnight oil before a big exam, your AI tutor will be still there to help you. These systems are designed to mimic the behavior of human tutors and provide detailed feedback. For example, they can offer hints, correct errors, and explain concepts in different ways until the student understands the concept. AI also brings in an element of fun through gamification. Educational platforms are increasingly using AI to make learning more engaging by incorporating game-like features such as earning points, leveling up, and even competing with friends. This approach works wonders for keeping students motivated by making learning interactive and competitive. Students are more likely to stick with challenging subjects. Plus, AI helps track their progress so they can see how far they have come. One of the most powerful aspects of AI in education is its ability to provide real-time feedback. Instead of waiting for days or weeks to get test results or feedback or assignment, AI system can instantly evaluate a student's work and offer suggestions for improvement. AI-powered assessments can be more dynamic than traditional tests. They can evaluate not just the final answer but the entire thought process behind it. This helps students understand where they went wrong and how to improve. Plus, teachers can use this data to tailor their lessons to better suit the needs of their students. Looking to the future, AI in education is only going to grow. We are already seeing the rise of AI-powered classrooms, AI-assisted teaching tools, and even AI helping in administrative tasks like grading and attendance tracking. In the long run, AI could even help address global challenges like access to quality education in remote areas. Imagine students in unprivileged communities having access to the same AI tutors as students in top-tier schools. The potential to bridge educational gaps is enormous. To wrap up, AI is transforming education in ways we could not have imagined just few years ago. From personalized learning to real time feedback and gamification, the possibilities are endless. So, whether you are a student or a teacher, it is time to embrace AI as a tool to make education more accessible, engaging, and effective. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more insightful discussions on how technology is shaping our world. Leave a comment below with your thoughts on AI in education. I would love to hear how you think it could impact your learning experience. Until next time, thanks for watching.